Creating an email newsletter for viral marketing. The term viral marketing was first used in Greek and Athens history. Venture capitalist Steve Jurvetson came up with the term in the late 1990s. Most people think of viral marketing as word of mouth that is amplified by networks. People think that viral marketing is a lot like network marketing. It has been shown that the average internet user talks a lot about what they do online. So, this way, you will reach a group of friends for each person you reach. All of viral marketing is based on what people say about their online experiences. A well-known company sending out birthday cards is a good example of viral marketing. At the bottom of the card, you can choose to give it back to the sender or to someone else. This is how viral marketing works. Or, if you have a newsletter or write articles for one, you could add a line at the end of the article that says, "Know someone who would be interested in this? Click here to send them an email." The client-to-be will certainly click on this icon. People think of viral marketing as a virus that spreads from one web host or person to another over the internet. This virus is sneaky, patient, and smart, and it is a very inexpensive way to get people to know about a product or service. A viral campaign is said to be easy to grow from a small size to a very large size. This means that at the start of the campaign, only about 10 people know about the product being sold. Then, each of these 10 people tells another 10 people about the product, so a total of 100 people know about it. This is a very cheap way to advertise, since no money is spent on it. Viral marketing doesn't need a new type of communication network because it usually uses the communication networks already in place for the product and the computer. Viral marketing is a great way to give away products, shows, or content that seem valuable to the general public. Not only that, but the virus uses the resources of other people so it doesn't need any of its own. Now that you know about viral marketing, you might want to make your own marketing virus. But if you want to make your own virus, you need to know what makes a successful virus. To make a virus that works, you need to be creative and original so that the virus is real. Now that the virus has been made, it is important to learn how viruses spread. The most important thing to remember is that a virus will never spread if the email, website, app, or video that is being shared is not unique and useful. The virus has to come from a trustworthy source. If it doesn't, people will think it's just blatant advertising and dismiss it right away. Lastly, the leave behind message on the website will be a waste of time if it doesn't connect with the target audience. Most viral campaigns have 3 stages: the seed, the sprouting, and the growth. Just like plants need seeds with good genetic material, they also need to germinate and get the right nutrients to grow. The same is true for online viruses. Viral marketing needs to start with a great campaign that gets people talking about it and spreads the word. But there are times when viral marketing does not work. Most of the time, a campaign fails because it doesn't fit with the brand, doesn't appeal to the target audience, has unrealistic goals, or can't last. So, remember that viral marketing will fail if the campaign is not in line with the brand's core values or if it doesn't match up with existing marketing goals. If the message of the product doesn't strike a chord with the target audience, the campaign is sure to fail. Then, of course, if any of this needs to be marketed, one can make an email newsletter. Like other newsletters, this one has to give a full description of the product being sold. The newsletter can also have graphics to make it look better, but black text on a white background gets a great response from readers. There should also be a link to sign up for the newsletter in the newsletter so that interested buyers can sign up for it. You also need the customer's contact information so that you can email them about any new products you might have. Check out the video description and bio for software tools to build your online business.